In this video, we're going to use Microsoft Copilot in Forms to create a brand new form using just a generative AI prompt. So here we are in Microsoft Forms. You can see I've got a load of forms here that I've already created, but I'm going to head over to New Form. And once this loads, you'll see that we get a Copilot box up here. So the first thing that happens now in Forms, if you have a Copilot license, is this is what comes up. Now, you'll see here there are some other prompts that we can view. So these are some example ones that it's actually created. And the bottom one that's quite interesting. So this is create an employee feedback survey for the HR department to assess, and then we can ask different questions. So I'm actually going to use this one as a prompt, but I could just type anything in here at all. So clicked on the button. This has now given me the draft that I can use to change. So this has asked me, so this is saying create an employee survey for HR to assess employee job satisfaction and find areas for improvement, including questions about personal information, physical company leadership, and compensation benefits. I'm also going to add to this, add questions about how well you understand the company's vision and plans for the next 3 years. There we go. So this is the questions that I want it to ask. I'm going to click on generate and we'll see what happens. So here we go, we can see Copilot generating the form for us. So just like the rest of the Copilot inputs through the other applications, we can tweak this, so we can ask additional questions, we can edit the prompt that we used, we can ask it just to have another go. Like I've said before in previous videos, you generally get a slightly different response each time you run a Copilot, whether you use the same prompt or whether you click on regenerate, and that's just the nature of AI. But let's have a look at what it's created. So it's asked for department, it's asked for age. I might remove that. It's asked a bit about training, leadership skills, other things as well. So that's good. So it's asked a question here, I put in about the plans. So that's good. I'm going to ask it to remove the questions about age, as this is not relevant. So Copilot now is going to go back through the prompt. It's going to update the questions and hopefully it will remove the questions relating to age. Let's see if it's done that for me. So there we go, so it's done that. So there's now no questions about age. So I'm pretty happy with that. So I can simply click on keep it. This has now created the form for me. It's now asking me to add some themes to these, so it's some default ones from the theme library. This one looks quite cool, so I'm going to apply this theme. And we're going to keep it. So here we go. This is now our form newly created for us that we can share with the rest of our team. So there we go. Really, really quick. This would have probably taken me a good 45 minutes, I would imagine, to create if I did this from scratch. So there we go. Copilot in Forms.